Hey friends, this is Jack and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to remove Android apps that won't uninstall. Sometimes these stubborn apps are protected by special permissions or running processes in the background. So first, head over to your settings and scroll down to See Security and Privacy. On some devices, it may just be called Security. Then go to the More Security setting page inside. Look for an option like Device Admin Apps or Device Administrators. Open it and check if the app you want to remove is enabled there. If it is, tap on it and turn off its admin permission. Next, go back to Settings and open Apps or App Management. Find the app you want to remove and tap on it. Before uninstalling, it's a good idea to tap Force Stop and then go to Storage and clear cache or data. This can prevent errors during removal. Now return to the main app info page. You should see the uninstall button become active. Tap on it and confirm to delete the app from your device. If the uninstall option is still grayed out, the app might be a system app. In that case, you can tap Disable to stop it from running and remove it from your app drawer. That's all for today. If this tip helped you out, make sure to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple Android tricks and tutorials.